During a stunt driving rehearsal at the track, I decided to try and come in a little tighter and come in a little hotter. Well, it went into full lock and the passenger tire got stuck on the lower control arm, sending me hard into the wall. We thought the car was a total write-off, but a couple of my friends decided, hey, let's try and do some pulls on this thing. So I said, sure, why not? Welded some tabs on. This is really savage. And we hooked it up to the Ford Bronco. Don't go hard though, just go like and put it in four-wheel drive low. The door's really moving. The truck to yank on the car. The car was connected to a forklift. After that, we decided that we would hook up to the winch connected to the Bronco and do a little bit more civilized pull. The floor was super wrinkled, but we managed to get it back in enough shape that we could continue. There's my friend Randy. Without his help, there was no way this car would ever go back together. He's like a 30-year veteran bodyman painter. So I came up with another idea. We built a frame jig. It was for a 1970 Dodge Charger, and we recycled it to do some low pulls on the car, as you will see coming up. If you stick around to watch the whole thing, there's actually the end video is sending the car hard again. Here's some welding of the tabs. Another Bronco pull, because we didn't have the winch every day. Randy had to bring it back to his work. So we resorted to caveman activities.
Probably enough, eh?
Ryan coming in for a little inspection.
This is just coming out like this.
Yeah, that's okay. That's enough.
Yeah.
Then we'll do the top.
Here's an underneath view of the tabs we welded on to do the pulls on the frame jig that you will see coming up. They're welded on super solid. Here's the main pull out of all the other pulls we did, because the subframe was pushed in along with the frame rail. So here's like a 10,000 pound winch. Randy again, super knowledgeable. Chain down on the other side. So I'm not a glass guy at all, but I didn't have very much time, so we had to get the windshield out. This is a Milwaukee oscillating tool. And it took the old urethane that was super hard off quite nice. First day back at the track. Not unfinished body work, but the car worked really good. Lordco Auto Parts spray bomb, little color match, pretty close. Pretty much the finished product. And here, if you stayed this long, here's the full sand. Testing tube. Worked out pretty good. Thanks for watching.
Copy, will do.